Hello students, today we'll do exercise 1.2 from the chapter Relations and Functions. Question number 9. F is a function defined from n to n and f of n is given as n plus 1 by 2, n is odd, n by 2 if n is even. State whether the function f is bijective. Justify your answer. Usually it will be given in terms of x. F of x is equal to x plus 1 by 2. Now here it is given f of x, instead of x it is given f of n. So the function is given as if n is odd. Suppose you take n is 1. So n is 1, it will be 1 plus 1 by 2. Isn't it? If n is odd, 1 plus 1 by 2 is 1. If n is even, suppose you take n is 2, 2 by 2 is 1. So 1 goes to 1 and 2, the image of 2 is also 1. What about 3 and 4? If n is 3, then 3 plus 1 by 2, 4 by 2, that is 2. If n is 4, 4 by 2. So 3 and 4 goes to 2. So you can see here different elements, 1 and 2 are different. Different elements have the same image. So you can see the different elements, they all have the same images here. So it is very clear the function is not one-to-one. One-to-one definition is different elements should have different images. Different elements should have different images. So it is not one-to-one, it's very clear. Now is it onto? So you can see all the elements will be mapped. If I take 5, 5 will go to 3, 6 will go to 3. So the codomain will be equal to the range. The function is onto. It is not one-to-one, but it is onto. So it is not a bijective function because it is not a one-to-one function. So we will prove it using the algorithm. How do you prove it? So how do you prove the function is not one-to-one? So for that you take x1, x2 belongs to n. So we have to prove f of x1. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then x1 is equal to x2. x1 is not equal to x2 in this case. If you want to say it is not one-to-one, you give one example. We can just prove it by giving an example. So what example can we give? If x1 is some 3, 4. So f of x1 is, f of 3 is odd number, it is 3 plus 1 by 2. So it is equal to 2. F of 4, f of x2, take it as x2. F of x2 is f of 4. This is an even number. If it is even number, the function is n by 2. So it is n by 2, that is 4 by 2, it is 2. So we can say f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Both are equal to 2, but x1 is not equal to x2 because 3 is not equal to 4. So the function is not a one-to-one function. The function is not one-to-one. Is it onto? If you say it is onto, we have to prove it. So how do you prove it is onto? What is the algorithm to prove a function is onto? Step 1, we have to write x in terms of y. You have to write x in terms of y. Then you have to prove f of x is equal to y. For every y belongs to the codomain. Okay, this is the algorithm. So here f of x is given as x plus 1 by 2. It is given in terms of n, I will change it. That means here y is x plus 1 by 2. Write x in terms of y. That means that is the algorithm, right? X in terms of y. So x is equal to 2y minus 1. Now it is given in terms of n. So I am going to change x as some n and y as m. So this is n 2m minus 1. Then we have to prove f of x is equal to y. That means we have to prove f of x is n is nothing but 2m minus 1. So we have to prove 2m minus 1 is equal to m, y. F of n is 2m minus 1. Let us check. For first, let us take the case 1, n is odd. For odd, okay. So if n is odd, so we have to prove, check if m2n minus, going to check if f of 2m minus 1 is equal to m. So f, what is the function f? If it is odd, what is the function given? F of n is n plus 1 by 2. You replace n by 2m minus 1 now. So f of 2m minus 1 is, n is replaced by 2m minus 1 plus 1. I am replacing n by 2. So 2m by 2 is equal to m. Therefore the function is on 2. We proved for odd numbers. Now we'll prove for even number. So for even number, it is given as n by 2. F of n is n by 2. It is given even number. F of n is n by 2. It is like f of x is x by 2. So you write y as x by 2. Then you write x in terms of y. That is the first step you should do. X in terms of y. All the sums you write like this, x in terms of y. Now you have to prove f of x is equal to y. That means we have to prove f of 2y is y. Okay. So we have to check. Now if n is odd, the case 2, if n is odd, so we have to prove f of 2m. What is f of 2m? What is the function given? F of n is n by 2. So f of 2m is 2m by 2. That is equal to m. So we have proved f of 2m is equal to m. So the function is on 2. So in both the cases, the function is on 2. So f is on 2, but not 1 to 1. Therefore, f is not bijective. That's what they ask you to check. State whether the function f is bijective. It is not bijective because it is not 1 to 1. It is not 1 to 1. But it is on 2. We'll move on to the next question. Question number 10. A is r minus 3. B is r minus 1. The function f is from A to B. F of x is given like this. Is the function f 1 to 1 and on 2? Justify your answer. A and B. So A is given real numbers except 3. 0, minus 1, minus 2 up to minus infinity, and here you have 1, 2, 3 is not there, 4, 5, etc. And here the function b is 1 is not there, 2, 3, etc., etc., all the negative numbers. So it is 1 to 1 only because any number you take except 3 is not there. Only for 3 it will reach infinity. When I put x is 3, the function is not defined, isn't it? X is 3 will give you 0 in the denominator. So a is r minus 3. No, the function is defined everywhere except 3. So that means it is 1 to 1. Different elements you take, different images you get. Images, so the function is 1 to 1. Let us check whether it is 1 to 1. How do you check it is 1 to 1? Let x1, x2 belongs to, let x1, x2 belongs to r. Then f of x1 is equal to f of x2 such that x1 minus 2 by x1 minus 3 is x2 minus 2 by x2 minus 3. Cross multiply. So x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3 is x2 minus 2 into x1 minus 3. So when you multiply this, x1 x2 minus 3x1 minus 2x2 plus 6 is equal to x1 x2 minus 3x2 minus 2x1 plus 6 get cancelled. x1 x2 get cancelled. Bring x1 x2 terms to one side. So 3x2 minus 2x2 is this side 3x1 minus 2x1. So we are getting x2 is equal to x1. So f of x1 is equal to f of x2 implies x1 is equal to x2. Therefore the function is 1 to 1. Is it on to? How do you check it is on to? You have to write x in terms of y. So it is given y as, what is given as y? X minus 2 by x minus 3. Cross multiply. You have to write in terms of x. So y into x minus 3 is x minus 2. So yx minus 3y minus x plus 2 equal to 0. Take out x outside. X into y minus 1 is equal to 3y minus 2. So x is equal to 3y minus 2 by y minus 1. Now we have to, what is second step? You have to prove f of x is equal to y. Y is in B. That means y is not equal to 1. That much you know. Y is not 1. It's very clearly given. Set B is no, 1 is not there. If 1 is there, the function is not defined. So we have to prove now f of x. That means f of x is, what is x? 3y minus 2 by y minus 1. What is the function f of x? F of x is x minus 2 by x minus 3. So you just substitute x as this. In the place of x you substitute this. So you'll get 3y by y minus 1, 3y minus 2 by y minus 1 minus 2 by 3y minus 2 by y minus 1 minus 3. That is equal to 3y minus 2 minus 2y plus 2 by, you can omit the denominators, same denominator. So 3y minus 2 minus 3y plus 3. So 3y minus 2 by y. Denominator plus 3y minus 3y cancel. Minus 2 plus 3, 1. So we have proved f of x is equal to y for all y belongs to B. Therefore the function is on to. So the function is 1 to 1 and on to. Therefore it is bijective. Okay, now we'll move on to question number 11. F is from R to R, defined as f of x is equal to x power 4. Choose the correct answer. So f is a function from R to R and f of x is x power 4. So if we give x is minus 1, minus 1 power 4 is 1. If I give x is 1, 1 power 4 is also equal to 1. So x is minus 1 is 1. x is 1 also is equal to 1. So different elements have the same image. Similarly, if you take x is minus 2 the whole power 4 is 16. 2 plus 2, if you take 2 power 4 is 16. Again, different elements have the same image. So the function is not one-to-one. Prove that is not one-to-one by taking an example. x1, x2 belongs to R. f of x1 is equal to f of x2. x1 power 4 is equal to x2 power 4 because f of x is equal to x power 4. So x1 is not equal to x2. We need not prove this because it's only an objective question. Take one example and prove it. So the function is not one-to-one. Is it onto? No, because the range is only positive numbers. You'll never get negative. But the codomain is the set of real numbers. The codomain is the set of real numbers, but the range is only from 0 to infinity. So range is not equal to codomain, therefore it is not onto. So the function is neither one-to-one nor onto. So the option is D. We move on to the next question. Question number 12. f of x is equal to 3x. The function f is from R to R. Choose the correct answer. So it is a linear function. So it will be one-to-one and onto also. So f of x1, take x1, x2 belongs to R such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So 3x1 is equal to 3x2. Cancel 3, you get x1 is equal to x2. So we have proved that if f of x1 is f of x2, x1 is x2, the function is one-to-one. How do you prove it is onto? Write the function in terms of x. It is given y is 3x. So x is y by 3. And we have to prove f of x is equal to y. So f of x is equal to f of x is y by 3. F of y by 3 is 3 into, the function is 3x. f of x is 3x. So replace x by y by 3. 3 cancelled, y. So the function is onto. The function is one-to-one and onto. Therefore the option is A. Thank you.